Amit, quickly that question from you, that can we say that we are inching closer to the rescue person, to the trapped workers? How far could we be? How many meters, if there is any source-based information that you have? And or the rescue personnel going to wait for the drilling experts coming in from Delhi?
Pooja, we can look at this from a different perspective, that the critical part, 22 meter to 45 meter phase has been already crossed by the rescue agencies, the central agencies, and the tunnel installation process has been completed in the critical part. Now, the two more, in technical language, the teams are calling it two more shots. Basically, it means that two more pipelines has to be installed, 6 meters each, after which the teams will be able to reach to the other end of the tunnel. And only once that iron obstacle problem is dealt with, the auger machine is fixed, then only these two particular pipelines will be installed. We should also tell our viewers right now that the speed of the auger machine will continue to remain minimum as much as possible, so that it does not end up creating tremors or any last minute hurdle hitting that auger machine, because that would mean that the effort which has gone into the entire rescue operation for the past 12 days, there could be a big threat to that effort as well. And that is why now it has been decided by the Indian agencies and also recommended by the international experts that the speed of rescue tunnel construction needs to be slowed down in the last phase, last leg of the operation. But the good part is that what is waiting for us on the other side, beyond 45 meters, it's not going to be heavy boulders, heavy stones. The pressure of the debris is going to get slightly reduced as we move forward. So we can, it's given to understand that process will be slightly, rather comparatively easier than what the agencies have gone through between 22 meters to 45 meters. So there's a ray of hope on that side.
Do help us understand, for the viewers who may not really be well versed with the technical language of how is it done and how are they able to specifically maneuver, find a way, and how many meters or millimeter pipes are used. But once these pipelines are established, once this escape route that is established, we are therefore expecting that it's not just an easy return also of the workers. One by one, they will have to be pulled out of the tunnel. And then what happens next? Because I'm told emergency services, ambulances have been put on standby.
Absolutely right, Pooja. I'll also request Deepak to zoom in towards the tunnel, and that will give a bigger understanding to our viewers right now. So if you look at the tunnel, this is a big phase for movement, free movement of vehicles from both lanes. What is happening right now is that there's a 900 diameter pipeline rescue tunnel which is installed till 22 meters. So just imagine a telescope structure. So if you look at a telescope structure, within that 900 diameter pipeline, 800 diameter pipeline is being installed up to 60 meters. That is the maximum length of the rescue tunnel that is being constructed, of which we have already constructed nearly 45 meters. What is required is installation of two more pipes of 6 meters each, which is nearly the distance of 12 meters, or maybe if in the end, towards the end, agencies feel that more pipeline needs to be inserted, that will be done. So what will happen is that the NDRF agencies, so if you look at this huge structure now, imagine a smaller rescue tunnel, quite smaller rescue tunnel, in which people can be dragged, pulled outside through stretchers. So that will be done. Now, what NDRF has done is that they have actually already created stretchers with wheels. So, the NDRF team will go to the other side. A doctor will also possibly accompany the NDRF team. They'll meet the workers out there, check the health conditions quickly. Then, one after other, on these stretchers, these workers will be put up on, and then the stretchers will be pulled out of the rescue tunnel. It's 60-meter journey. Breathing will not be easier. Many people might feel claustrophobic in this particular tunnel, but the technical support is on ground, so they will
But
be
it's
brought
also
out.
a matter of
of
a few minutes possibly, because remember, even in the tunnel there could be claustrophobia, but there's still enough space to maneuver, to walk around, and that's what kept them safe. But to come out through a very narrow tunnel, it's not easy. We're talking about 12 days to be stuck in that tunnel with each other, bare minimum food, dipping temperature. But let's hope that horror is going to end soon and there will be light at the end of the tunnel.